Hey animal lovers and potential pet owners. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the wonderful world of pets and provide valuable insights for pet enthusiasts. Today, we have a fantastic topic for those living in apartments: 10 best apartment-friendly pets for beginners. Living in an apartment doesn't mean you can't enjoy the companionship of a furry friend. We've curated a list of 10 fantastic pets that are perfect for apartment living, especially if you're new to the wonderful world of pet ownership. Let's start with a pet that brings tranquility to any space: fish. Fish tanks come in various sizes, and with their silent, aquatic world, they make a perfect addition to an apartment. We'll discuss different fish species and easy maintenance tips for beginners. Cats are known for their independent nature and adaptability to smaller living spaces. We'll explore various cat breeds that thrive in apartments and discuss their personalities and care requirements. The perfect companions for apartment dwellers. If you're a dog lover, fear not. There are plenty of small dog breeds that are well suited for apartment living. We'll introduce you to some adorable, pint-sized pups that make excellent companions in close quarters. For those looking for a pocket-sized pet, hamsters are a fantastic option. These little furballs are low maintenance, space efficient, and bring a lot of joy. We'll discuss different hamster breeds and provide tips on setting up their cozy habitats. Feathered friends can also make great apartment companions. We'll explore various bird species that are well suited for apartment living, discussing their social nature, care requirements, and the joy they can bring to your home. Rabbits are not just for the great outdoors, they can thrive in apartment settings too. We'll introduce you to some apartment-friendly rabbit breeds, share insights into their behavior, and discuss how to create a bunny-friendly living space. If you're looking for a gentle and sociable companion, guinea pigs might be the perfect fit. These small rodents are easy to care for and can bring a lot of joy to your apartment. We'll discuss their needs and how to provide them with a happy home. Slow and steady, turtles can be wonderful apartment pets. We'll explore different turtle species suitable for indoor habitats, discuss their unique requirements, and provide tips on creating a comfortable environment for your shelled friend. For those interested in more exotic pets, certain reptiles can thrive in apartment setups. We'll introduce you to beginner-friendly reptiles, discuss their care needs, and provide insights into creating a safe and comfortable habitat. Last but certainly not least, ferrets are playful and curious pets that can adapt well to apartment living. We'll explore their energetic personalities, discuss their care requirements, and share tips on creating an enriching environment for these spirited companions. And there you have it, the 10 best apartment-friendly pets for beginners. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect companion for your apartment lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more pet-related content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy pet parenting in your cozy apartment.